standing here in the bucket so we can go and get the mud truck that's right over there. We're on our way, old girl. It is murky out here. There's the dog. Hey, dog. Hey, Nitro. You're getting all muddy, dude. We gotta go out here and pick up the mud truck. Oh man, it is. Look at that. It is bad out here. Just a few days ago, it was flooded pretty good. So I'd stay on the grass. Yeah, stay on the grass. If you got out into that sand right there, it'd be really bad. I'd go around it. Oh, you stop it. The GoPro is right over, there's a GoPro right over there. Been missing that for a few months. That's our mud pit right over there. This is our homemade mud pit, but I don't know. We got her a little bit high centered and she's been just stuck out here. Ugh. That's, ugh. We'll see. We'll see if this thing don't sink itself. Oh man. No, it's pushing through it. Oh. That's how soft it is out here. Yeah, that's the old mud pit. She's stuck. Man, look at that. That thing is just trekking through this. There the old girl is. He got me way up here now. Ah! No, he's gonna dump me out. Ah! He got me way up here. Oh gosh. Yeah, see? She's stuck on the axle. She's stuck on the axle. All right. strap back in here. Thank you guys. Come back again. We're out. Thanks for your help today, Nitro. I appreciate you coming and helping. Hopefully he's not charging me travel time. I'll have to ask him real quick. Hey, on that tow bill,
yeah.
Do you charge travel time?
Oh yeah, it's travel time.
Because if you charge travel time, you should at least put this thing in high gear.
No, it's by the minute, so as slow as you can.
Son of a gun. I was thinking about that on your way back if he charges travel time to and from. It didn't take much to get it out though.
No, and your strap actually is stronger than what I thought.
Yeah. That's that.
Have to have nitro,
No, that's the Rhino strap.
Hey.